How to zoom into a video or image in Kinemaster application. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can zoom into a video or an image in Kinemaster app. So without any delay, let's just get started. For that, you can just go ahead and select a media in which you want to zoom in your Kinemaster application, and once it is placed on this timeline, the next step you need to do is simply select the video from the timeline. After that, you'll be getting different editing options in the right side of your screen. So on the right side, you can look for this option called pan and zoom that allows us to zoom. Select this option. After that, you can zoom out in a start position or also an end position. For now, I'm selecting the start position. You can also do that and apply it up. And when you play the video, you'll be finding the zoom being applied on your video. So when you play the video, you can just zoom out the video and start, and when you get back and play the video, you can find this video and zoom out, and you can also apply it on end position. You can get to the end position, zoom out again, and head back, and when you play the video from start to play to the end. So that is how you basically zoom out, and after that is done, you can export the video that you like. And for now, this is the method you can apply up. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.